My name is Stuart Chalmers. I'm the Chief Business Officer for AIDENTYX, Inc. We are a global AI analytics software company serving customers in Asia, Europe, and the United States. We are a 2024 Solutions Award winner, thanks to the brilliant work done by our engineering team based in Austin, Texas, Seoul, South Korea, and San Jose, California. Great question. First of all, we're extremely proud of receiving the 2024 Solutions Innovation Award. That is a testament to the engineering capabilities in our company across the world, and it's a testament and a hands up to our engineering team for their efforts. This product's been, the APM product has been about 7 years in development. Launched a couple of years ago in selective markets, and now is being widely adopted in semiconductor manufacturing, in infrastructure and utilities, and in all sorts of manufacturing environments around the world. The APM solution optimizes and automates companies' assets within the production environment so that they can gain greater insights and greater efficiencies, and of course the obvious cost savings for their corporations. So it's a tremendously value-added solution. Our customers tell us, and we're happy that they tell us this, that that Grandview's AI analytics fault detection and predictive analytics module is a key enabler for them gaining greater insights into the health of their machine assets anywhere in the world. So one of the biggest advantages that we offer our customers is not only identifying anomalies, but also giving them a heads up preemptively that, hey, things are trending in the wrong way, it's time to take some action, and we can do this in an automated, preemptive way so that it minimizes any system disruptions for the customer, for the production line, and for their engineers, which we all know is excessively costly. So the reliability and maintenance world is on the front lines right now of the AI revolution, as some people like to call it, but we're really just in the beginning. And here at this show this week in Seattle, we've been talking to a lot of maintenance and operational engineers who are trying to understand, okay, what should be my digital strategy going forward? How can I incorporate AI and machine learning into my processes to gain these insights and efficiencies that the AI promises? So I think we're at the very early stages of this revolution. People are trying to understand it. There's some industries that are a little bit further ahead than others. In semiconductor manufacturing, where we started 20 years ago, it's a highly automated, highly process-oriented environment. They're already doing all of this automation and data analytics. Been doing it for quite some time. Reliability is now starting to go head first in the water and try to yield the advantages from AI. So I see this as, in another 5 years now, everybody's going to be AI experts, and they'll be gaining all these insights and benefits from this digital transformation journey that will be continuous. It's all about trying to gain continuous improvement within our production environment. For our Grandview APM, that's about machine health, but it can also be so many other things within the reliability environment.